Today I'm going to open up a Glossybox. Glossybox. So, let's find a little spot here. Here it is. Which, it gets wrong. No, that's where it's supposed to be. This one doesn't want to open right. If I get it from this end, it'll work better. There it goes. Alrighty. Oh, the box is so pretty. I love it. My daughter's probably gonna try and steal this one, but I want this one for myself. Oh, look at this. So pretty. With the starfish and the seahorses. I love it. Okay, open up the ribbon. It's got something about some sandals. Sometimes they have deals in here. Okay. Open this up. Let's see. What do we got here? This is makeup remover from Kushi. Facial makeup remover. Cleansing and calming eyes and sensitive areas. So it's saying you can use it on the eyes. There's no scent, so that should be interesting. I don't usually like eye makeup removers. I use mineral water, and the I'm actually particular to the Garnier mineral water is the one that I like the best, the blue cap. Every makeup remover I've used has stung my eyes, so we will see what happens with that. Hopefully it won't sting my eyes. We got some John Masters stuff again, which in the past I've liked John Masters, but as you know, the last time, this packaging is really hard. So if the product in it is thick, it's really hard to use. This is a detangler. It smells really nice. All their stuff usually smells super nice. The question is, will it be able to come out of here? Yes. It's not so thick that it doesn't come out of here. So, let's see. It's not like thin, but it's not super thick. And I just rubbed it into my hand, which is not what it's for, but that's good. And the other thing from John Masters Organic is a hairspray with a light citrus scent. So my hair looks crazier now. So not sure about how that's working. Oh well. This doesn't have a really strong scent to it, which I guess, yeah, that's probably a good thing for hairspray. The next thing is this cuticle oil. Nice. Cuticle oil is very useful stuff. It's from NCLA. Mermaids may be confined to fantasies, but with their tears you can unreel your nails. What? It smells odd, but it's cuticle oil. It doesn't need to smell like great. The next thing is Matte Effect Transparent Loose Rice Powder. I've been getting a lot of powders from different, like, subscription stuff, it seems. Get out of here. I mean, I don't really care for loose powder very much, except for, whatchamacallit, my brain just fell out. So, I find it really hard to get loose powder out of these, like, things they put them in. Like, there's nothing coming out. I know you can remove these. Oh, That's great. There's 2 of them. Why is there 2 of them? I'm just gonna end up with powder everywhere, I just know it. That's why I don't like these, because it's just so messy. Actually, that's not too bad. Then we'll put this one back on. Oh, I see. That one doesn't really fit on there so great either. So, I don't understand. The way they made this is weird. Like this, oh, I see. So this has some sort of tape thing on it. Alrighty then. So we put this back in. And then that into that, where you want the powder to come out. And then sprinkle the powder out. That's not so bad. It sprinkles it out pretty good. I don't know. Loose powders are just super messy to me. I would rather use a powder that's, you know, that's pressed. I just find it easier to get it out. But some people prefer that powder if they're gonna bake, which yes, if you're gonna bake, you're gonna need a loose powder, but I don't really bake that much. I did for a little while, but then it was like, it doesn't seem to be making that big of a difference. Anyways, the last thing is the mini macaron lip balm. How cute is that? Get open, there we go. Twist it open. My lips have lipstick on it, so I'm not gonna try and put this on, but it's really, really cute. It smells nice. It has fruit extracts in it. Will make your lips healthy, but don't count for your daily dose of healthy eating. Ha ha ha. Flavors will vary. I got the pink one. I don't know what that means. It doesn't tell you like what the different colors or flavors are or whatever. But it smells fruity. Just very light scent though. It's not like super strong or anything. So if you're not into strong scents, that's taken care of. I love this box. I don't know how I'm gonna keep in it, but something's gonna get kept in it because I really love this box and this time it's mine. Usually I don't care. My daughter takes them and I'm like, yeah, it's fine. But this one I like too much. Sorry. So, I don't know. How great of a box was this? I mean, we'll find out because it depends on, you know, is this makeup remover is this any good? Because makeup remover is generally not something I would want. This nail cuticle treatment, that I do like. I can always use stuff for my nails. This detangler and hairspray. The hairspray, I don't know about. I don't think it's that, it doesn't have like, I don't know how good of a hold it has or anything. So I'm gonna have to try this a few times before I decide it as well. And the detangler, I suppose, could be useful. Usually I've gotten detanglers in sprays though, and this is like this. It smells really nice, so I might just put it in my hair for that. I don't usually need a detangler though. Although honestly, the back, since I've gotten the haircut, the back of my head right here gets really knotted because I lay back a lot. And since it's not up as much as I used to have it, remember I used to always have my hair up in like a crazy crazy bun thing. So I don't know, maybe it'll help that tangling back there, we'll see. So yeah, that was everything. I do really like the gloss, the powder, whatever. Like, I'm not super enthusiastic about this box, but I'm not mad at it either. It just didn't have anything in it that made me go, oh my God, I'm so happy. It was more of a, oh, these are useful things, which they are. So that's fine. But I'm really happy about the box itself. The box itself is probably the most exciting thing to me. So we'll see. I've been trying to be better starting last month about rating these things because I used to be really bad. I never rated anything. I always rated the Ipsy stuff, but I never rated my Glossybox. And that may be part of the reason that I don't always get stuff that I like, because just like Ipsy, you know, it takes a while for them to get a feel for what you really like and so forth. So, you know, I'll rate these things after I've used them and see what they think. But I think this little lip balm is so cute. It is the cutest lip balm. Like, this needs to go in my purse. I'm sure you agree. It needs to go in my purse. So, thank you all for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And always be kind, even when you want to slap them in the face. Bye, kitty cats.